guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will talk about if you receive this kind of mail from the Fiverr, if you receive some kind of error on your Fiverr gig, like your gig has been removed from the Fiverr, then what you have to do, then why you receive this kind of error. Basically, you receive this kind of error when you use some kind of title, or you use some kind of description from some users from the Fiverr. Then what you actually have to do, then first of all, I received this mail on Wednesday. Then what happened, what I did, I will tell you everything about this in this video. So first of all, you have to open your Fiverr account. I already opened this, and when you receive this kind of mail, then you have to contact the Fiverr support. Click on your icon, help and support, and here you will see trials. Contact and support, and my support request, what I talk with Fiverr, and what I said I will share with everything with you. So gig related issue, this was basically the actual issue I faced in my um, Fiverr gig. So I said that hi there, my main gig for the last 2 months, I have been using this gig for the last 2 months, and I put this everything by my own, and I said I've used these templates from the Canva, which is an online tool. Mostly users use this, and they said, good morning, you have to send us that AI file or Photoshop. I said I don't use this, and they said I understand how important is the video current status of your gig. They said, and then they sent me a message. I have got the reply from a relevant team. They said my gig has been revealed. Then so basic ambition just you, and then you have tell them that you are using your own content, you are not using someone's content. So this is basically the reason for showing this. So I hope you guys get this information, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.